I'm not sure if you can see the light post moving, but this is out my bedroom window. And the storm started at about 7 p.m. and it's now around 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The news report said that it's snowing 1 inch an hour. And we've gotten about 2 inches so far. It's supposed to snow until anywhere from 7 to 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. So I'll try to update you then, but you can see how it's blowing right now. It's a state of well, it's not a state of emergency, but it's kind of like a state of emergency. It's pretty bad out there. This will be our biggest snowstorm yet this year. And this is only our second major snowstorm. We had our first major in December.